Hello children, let us learn maths today. Okay, and our topic is introduction and writing of 61 to 70. Dear children, you know that how to write and read the numbers from 1 to 60, right? That we have completed in earlier lecture. Today we are going to learn about the introduction and writing of 61 to 70, and along with this we are going to cover writing of numbers 71 to 80. Okay, means writing of numbers from 61 to 80 we are going to complete today. For the children, before that we will make self-study. Here we will write numbers from 1 to 10, from 11 to 20, from 21 to 30, from 31 to 40, right? 41 to 50 and 51 to 60. Okay, now today let us learn about writing numbers from 61 to 70 and 71 to 80. Let us proceed to our topic. Introduction and writing of 61 to 70. Dear children, you know that first we will draw a table, right? And here you can see the ice cream sticks basket, right? In one basket there are 10 sticks, correct? Means that is 110. How many baskets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 6 baskets are there with 10 sticks of ice creams. Means here we can say all together there are 60 ice cream sticks of different color, right? Here you can see one more stick, right? Means same thing we will write in tens and units, so it will become very easy to read, right? Okay, now here how many baskets are there? 6, right? So that is 6 tens, and single stick only 1, so 1 unit, right? That is nothing but 6 tens and 1 unit. Same thing in number 61, because you know that there are 60 ice cream sticks are there in 6 baskets. Each basket has 10 sticks, right? So this is 61, and in numeral we write 60 and 1, that is 61, right? Okay, what we will do, we will add one more stick to this. See here, this is 61, we are going to add one more stick, right? So here 6 tens. Come on, tell me how many units? How many singles are there? 2. Very good. 2 units. So 6 tens and 2 units make 62 number, right? In numeral 60 and 2 makes 62. Dear children, we will add one more stick to 62 sticks. Here it is. Okay, now it became 6 tens and 3 units, right? Okay, that makes our number 63. 60 and 3. Nice, that makes 63. Okay, let us proceed further. What we will do? We'll add one more stick to 63 sticks. Here it is. Okay, so we got 6 tens and 4 units. 6 tens, 4 units. Number is 64 and in numeral that is 60 and 4. That makes 64. Yes, further step is we are going to add one more stick to this 64 sticks. Right? That gives us 6 tens, 5 units. We'll write in words 6 tens and 5 units that give us the number 65. That is nothing but 60 and 5. Right? Okay, we are going to add one more stick to this 65 sticks. See here. Okay, now here we got 6 tens, 6 units. Correct? And the number is 66. In numerals 60 and 6. Right? Very good. We'll proceed further by adding one more stick to this 66 sticks. See here. Now here we got 6 tens, 7 units. Right? 7 single sticks are there beside these baskets. So our number is 67. Correct? And in numeral that is 60 and 7. Next is we are going to add one more stick. So we got 6 tens. Yes, dear children, how many sticks are there? Singles? 8. Good. So our number is 68. In numerals 60 and 8. Got this, children? Okay, we are going to add one more stick to this 68 sticks. See here. So here it became 6 tens and 9 units. Right? 6 tens and 9 units make 69. And in numerals that is 60 and 9. Right? Okay. Now next is we are going to add one more stick to this 69 sticks. Right? See here. Here it became 10 sticks. 10 singles. Or in other words 10 units. Yeah, you are right. All these 10 sticks, they go and they arrange in the basket. So we got one more 10. Am I right? Here altogether we can see 7 tens and no units. We can't see any singles here. Right? So we'll write 0 in the units column. Same thing we'll write here 7 tens and 0 units. That is nothing but 70. Yes, number 70. And how we write? We write 70 like this. 7 and 0. Okay, that becomes 70. Got this, children? I hope you understood about how to write and how to read the numbers from 61 to 70. Let us check. Fill the numbers. Here is a caterpillar, right? Okay, and we can see this 61 number is on the first part and 70 number is on the last part. Yes, dear children, caterpillar is asking us to fill the numbers from 61 till 70. Okay, let us help this caterpillar to fill the numbers on its body part. Okay, see the 61 first. Now second is 62, right? After this 63, next number 64, next is 65, then comes 66, very good, then 67, yes, next one 68, next 69, and 70 is already there. Now caterpillar is very happy. It is ready to move. Bye-bye caterpillar. Now dear children, we will move to our next topic, that is introduction and writing of 71 to 80. The procedure is same. Okay. Here is a table. Here you can see bouquets. Bouquet means bunch of flowers. Like these bouquets we use in parties or on birthdays to give the persons, isn't it? Okay. Now here we can see bunch of flowers. In each bunch there are 10 flowers, 10 roses, correct? Okay. How many bunches are there? How many bouquets are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We know how to write 70. 7 tens, right? So 7 bouquets are there. Okay. Now here you can see one more single rose. So total how many roses are there? We'll write in tens and units. Okay. See here 7 tens because 7 bouquets are there and one single rose is there. So 1 unit. 7 tens and 1 unit, that makes 71. Okay, and in numerals we write 70 and 1. Okay, same procedure we will follow. We will add one flower. Okay, one rose, and we will try to read next number. Okay, see here 71 roses are there. We are going to add one more rose. So we got 7 tens, 2 units. That is nothing but, yes, 72 number. That is 70 and 2. Right? Let us add one more rose to 72. See here. That gave us 7 tens, 3 units. So that is nothing but 73 number. Yes, how we write this? 70 and 3. That is 73. Dear children, let us add one more flower to these 73 flowers. Here it is. It gave us 7 tens, 4 units. Right? 7 tens, 4 units means 74. In numerals 70 and 4. Okay, got this? Okay, we will proceed to next number by adding one more rows, that is nothing but 7 tens and 5 units. Right? Number we got is 75. 70 and 5 in numerals. Let us add one more rows. Here it is So we got 7 tens, 6 units, that is nothing but 76 number, and in numerals 70 and 6. Very easy, right? Okay, now we'll move to next one. By adding one more rows to 76, that is nothing but 7 tens and 7 units. That gives us 77 number. Yes, 70 and 7. Right? Okay, we'll add one more rows to these 77. So we got 7 tens, 8 units, right? And the number is 78. 70 and 8. Okay, we'll add one more rows to these 78 flowers. So we get 7 tens and 9 units, right? And number is 79. 70 and 9 in numerals. Yes, dear children, now 9 single flowers we can see here. Our next step is to add one more flower, that is, see here, it became 10 single flowers. Yes, you know that. Correct. All these 10 single flowers, they together make one bunch. One more bouquet we got. So altogether we got 8 bouquets. That is nothing but 8 tens and 0 units. Correct? That is our new number 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. How we write 80? 8 and 0. Okay, got this? I hope you understood about how to write numbers from 71 to 80. Let us check. Here again our caterpillar is ready with 2 numbers, that is 71 and 80. Let us fill the other parts. After 71, correct 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. Very nice class for you. Okay. Dear children, now homework part is there. Match the pairs. Here you can see 2 columns. You can see in A column the numbers are given in tens and units form, and in the B column the numbers are written in according to their names. Right? Means in words. Okay, you have to match the correct number from A to B. One I will show you. First one, 7 tens and 5 units. You know what is the meaning of 7 tens and 5 units? Is nothing but, yes, 75. Right? Like this only you have to match the rest all pairs. Okay? Right? You will do now? Good. One more homework is there. Fill in the blanks. You know this, right? Star shaped parts are there and oval shaped parts are there and rectangular parts are there. In star shaped, numbers are written in numerals, and in oval shape, the numbers are written in words, and in the rectangular shape, numbers are written in tens and units form. Yes, you have to complete all 3 shapes by filling the correct form of the number. Okay? Yes, here join the numbers serially to complete the picture. Here you can see numbers and one picture, right? This is half picture. It is incomplete. If you want to complete this picture, then you have to join the numbers serially from 1 up to last. Okay, I think last number is 71. See here, I will show you from 1, here it is 2. So like this, from 2 to 3 we have to join these numbers. From 3 to 4 draw the line. 4 to 5 join these two dots. From 5 to 6, yes, like this go on joining the next numbers. Okay, then you will get a beautiful picture. Okay. Thank you, dear children. Children, please try to write numbers from 1 to 80. Okay, and in next lecture we will try to complete numbers from 81 to 99. Okay.